Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Microsoft product deactivated option. If Microsoft says product is deactivated or unlicensed, that means software background license checker has lost its connection with the Microsoft services. So there are several fixes you can try for that one. First, you need to try to sync the account. This is the quickest fix. So first you need to open Word or Excel or any Microsoft related application. In the yellow or red warning bar at the top, look for and click the reactivate or sign in button. When you click that one, you need to enter the exact email address or password you used to purchase Office or your Microsoft 365 subscription. Then after, if it says you have reached your device limit, you will see an option to log out and all computer to free up the license for this one. Close and reopen the app to refresh it. So that is method number 1. Then the second method is you need to check for dueling Office versions. If you have Microsoft 2019 or 2021 kind of version, and also you have pre-installed Microsoft 365, the two versions will clash and cause a product deactivated issue. So first you need to go to the search bar and go to the control panel and go to the program section and go to programs and features. In this section you can see all the applications that you installed on your computer. Check is there any Microsoft Office version and also Microsoft 365 is there. If both are in here, you need to remove one of them from this list. As an example, if you don't need to Microsoft 365, you need to select that one like this and select the uninstall option. Then it will be uninstalled from your computer and you need to restart your computer. And the next method is you need to fix your PC date and time. First you need to check the time display in the bottom right corner of your computer, because wrong date and time can cause the issue for this one. So first you can check your date and time from here and your time zone. If it's wrong, you can right click on it, go to adjust date and time option. If your Windows version is deactivated, that means if your Windows 10 or Windows 11 is not activated watermark appearing, you have to reactivate your computer. So first you need to run the activation troubleshooter. First you need to go to the start menu, go to setting, go to the update and security, go to the activation section. If you are not activated, you will be able to see troubleshoot kind of button in here. You need to tap on it and it will be run the troubleshoot to activate your computer. And the second method is you can force to reactivation via command prompt. So first you need to go to the search bar and type cmd, right click on it, tap on run as administrator. You need to type slmgr.vbs space /ATO. Then a small pop-up box will be appear after few seconds and it will be tell your activation script is successful. So then your computer is activated. So these are the methods you can try to fix Microsoft product is deactivated issue. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like in this video.